So we've gathered stomach contents for Mr. Macromolecule. So we're going to be testing those today. We have a bunch of different reactions that can be happening. So the first one is called Benedict solution. Simple sugars in the in the presence of the blue solution turn green, yellow, or dark brick red. So what that's going to look like for our test sample is here's some sugar in our blue solution. It's our control, positive. And here's some water with solution, and it's our control, negative. So these get taken to a hot water bath over here for 3 to 5 minutes. We're also going to take our stomach sample, again, with blue solution to it, into the water bath for 3 minutes. We'll come back to those ones. Our next one is a lipid test. So the lipid test is Sudan-3 stain. In the presence of lipids, fat cells will turn red and form a fatty layer on top of the liquid surface. Let's check this out for our test so we know what to look for. This is just canola oil that we're testing. And Sudan-3 alcohol solution. So it says here we're going to take 6 drops of Sudan-3 into the test tube. So this is our control positive. And we'll wait for that, but it'll show red film. And this is our control negative. Won't quite look the same. We'll let that sit for a moment. And we're also going to test our sample. So our control positive, most of the color stays in the top. Our control negative, it kind of filters throughout. And this is our sample. We'll call that a negative for lipids. Our next test is going to be our Biuret reagent. So let's look at what this one does. It is for protein. We place 5 mils of Biuret reagent in there, shake gently to mix, and look for a color change. And we used egg protein for this. And we again have a water. Alrighty. So Biuret's reagent. This is the egg protein, turns a nice dark purple. And that is egg protein. So you can see how awesome that is. In our water sample, to compare it, it's a light blue. It's a pretty big difference. And in our sample, kind of see a light blue. You can see all the nice stomach acid in there. So we're going to call that a negative. Our last one is cornstarch. That's a complex carbohydrate. We're going to be using potassium iodide. So, is it? Hopefully you're marking these down as we go. Simple sugar, complex sugar, Lugol's iodine solution. So 3 to 4 drops of iodine solution of this one. Oh, good thing we're not touching this because iodine stains your fingers really badly. So here's our negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the color of iodine. It's kind of goldeny. Here is our positive. That is cornstarch in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to give that a good shake. Okay, so in the presence of complex carbohydrates, it turns black. Let's see our sample. And this is our sample D. Look at that. That's really black. That's got complex carbohydrates on it. Excellent work, guys. Stay tuned for more.